Just walked past the security guard. Oh well, we got past the security guard. So far, so good. Let's go and see Gerry the Giraffe, shall we? He swam with his dolphins. Well, we got the flamingos here, look, because it's called the Flamingo Oasis. Got water and all here. There's Gerry, the giraffe, look. Dom, there's your Gerry there, look. They've got all these, this is all inside, this is. Still quite bright outside, look. Lots of water flowing around. All plants. We got a lift there, look. That goes up. Well, I don't know how far it goes up, don't go very far, but this is all inside, look. All inside. Gotta watch the steps here, though. Here's the entertainment, where the entertainment show is in there. Fiesta Flamingo. Whoops. Oh, really lost my balance then. It's all like tropical in here, it is. Look, this look. That's where we just come from up there. This is the Flamingo Oasis. And there's Gerry there, look. Full-size Gerry. I used to stand here and put people to go on the blanket trips. So if you've ever been in here and you've seen me, I would have been standing just here asking people to go on the free blanket trips. Because there's the lift. And that's where the food hall is. That's where you go and get your food. And the swimming pool, the outside pools are over here. But look at this, look. There he is, look. Somebody get a screenshot of Gerry. I'm going to have to stand back because he's so big. Somebody get a good screenshot of Gerry. Gerry the Giraffe. Yeah, the rock and roll house. You can see how big he is because the phone is at the top of my head. And I'm standing right next to it here. So, full-size giraffe. I think it's a male giraffe as well by the looks of it. And this is the pool area out here. Can't wait to go back next year. So we're inside the Flamingo Oasis and the pool's all cordoned off at the moment. So it's a beautiful evening. And you've got the So we're inside the Flamingo Oasis and the pool's all cordoned off at the moment. So it's a beautiful evening. And you've got the off at the moment. So it's a beautiful evening. And you've got the